Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the motherboard of the Lenovo Yoga 7. In this tutorial, we will cover everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process of disassembly and repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, including Phillips and Torx bits, a spudger for prying open the casing, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or small parts. Begin by powering off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located around the perimeter of the device. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Use your spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Before proceeding, it's advisable to take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you identify any damaged areas, you may need to replace specific components. For this, you will require soldering tools, including a soldering iron and solder. If you're not comfortable with soldering, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and ensure a proper fix. Next, let's focus on cleaning the motherboard. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to gently clean any dust or debris. This is crucial as it can prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Be careful around sensitive components and connectors. Now, if you need to replace any components, such as capacitors or resistors, carefully desolder the old parts using your soldering iron. Make sure to note the orientation and placement of each component before removal. Once you have the new parts ready, solder them in place, ensuring a solid connection. After replacing any damaged components, it's time to reassemble the device. Start by carefully reconnecting any cables that were disconnected during disassembly. Ensure that all connections are secure, as loose cables can lead to further issues. Before sealing the back cover, it's wise to perform a quick test. Reconnect the power and turn on the device to check if it boots up correctly. If everything is functioning as expected, proceed to replace the back cover, securing it with the screws you previously removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of travel. Plus, you can receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, once the back cover is secured, give your device a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Congratulations, you've successfully repaired the motherboard of your Lenovo Yoga 7. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.